If you're looking for the best forex brokers in the UK, look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 picks and why they're the best. Hey, welcome back. It's Yuri Safrono, aka Professor Forex. I have a PhD degree in finance and I teach hundreds of students every year. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 picks in the best forex brokers in the United Kingdom. I have evaluated them on 5 points: regulation, trading platforms, trading instruments offering, trading fees, and customer support. Now, if you're like me, you want to make sure that you're working with a reputable and reliable broker who can give you the best trading experience possible. So whether you're just starting out or you are an experienced trader, these brokers will have something for everyone. All the brokers I choose are regulated and licensed by the FCA, which stands for Financial Conduct Authority. It's important that your broker is regulated by the FCA if you trade in the UK, since this is the main conduct regulator for financial service firms and financial markets in the United Kingdom. Now let's start with the list. Please note that this is a random list and that the first or last broker of the list is not better than the other. The first broker we have is eToro, which is a social trading platform that has been customized for UK traders. The company has 10 million users and it's easy to get started thanks to their customly built interface. Let's have a look at eToro regulation. eToro does have the FCA license. Besides that, they are actually multi-licensed, having also the Cyprus license, which is called CISEC regulation. With this license, they can offer their services throughout Europe. In Australia, eToro is licensed with the Australian regulator called ASIC, so I can say that it's a safe broker. What about eToro trading platforms? Interesting is that they don't have MT4 or MT5. Instead, eToro has built their own user-friendly trading platform, which is available through the web platform and mobile app. Besides the trading platform, eToro offers trading tools, one of which is the Trader's Copy, where you can find the best traders and just copy their trades without having the need of years of trading knowledge. Next, what can I trade with eToro? eToro offers traders 49 currency pairs, 32 commodities, 13 indexes, more than 2,000 stocks, more than 200 ETFs, and 51 cryptocurrencies. In total, they offer more than 3,000 trading instruments. Now, what are costs and fees on eToro? If you want to start trading with eToro, the minimum deposit varies between $10 to $200 depending on what trading account and pairs you'll be trading. In terms of deposit fees, eToro doesn't charge anything, but for withdrawals, the fee is $5. So don't withdraw too often on lower amounts, it will become costly for you. When looking at their spreads, it starts from 1 pip. In the UK, they provide 1 to 30 leverage for forex pairs. Last point about eToro's is their customer support. Is it any good? I checked with them and I see that their customer support is good enough and responded fast. They are available through email, phone, callback service, and live web chat. That was the first broker on our list of brokers in the UK. If you want to give it a try with eToro, you can use the link in the description below. Moving on to the next broker is XM. The broker was established in 2009. Being the long in the market, XM has become a reputable forex trading platform in the UK. Also, the broker offers many benefits to its users. Obviously, XM is regulated by the FCA. Along with FCA, it also regulated by CISIC within Cyprus, ASIC in Australia, and IFSC in Belize. In terms of XM's trading platforms, they offer the industry standards trading platforms like MT4 and MT5. Moving on to the trading pairs they offer, XM offers traders 57 Forex pairs, support hedging, scalping, copy trading, and have swap-free accounts. Next, what are costs and fees on XM? XM Broker has one of the best and most affordable CFD fees, and it has lower withdrawal fees too. The tight spreads that starts with 0.1 pip for EURUSD is what makes XM a good broker for a lot of traders. Commission for zero accounts is $7 per lot. Standard and micro accounts require a minimum deposit of 5 British pounds. Zero accounts require a minimum deposit of 100 British pounds. Last point is about XM's customer support. Is it any good? Their customer support is available 24/5 and based on my check is quite fast via phone and online chat. Other ways to contact them is via email. That marks the end of XM's quick review. Now, if you're considering giving a go with a live account, you may follow the link below and set up your trading account today. Moving forward to the third broker on the list is XTB, which was founded in 2002. Starting off with the regulation of XTB. This broker is also regulated with the FCA. More interesting about XTB is that its parent firm X-Trade Brokers is listed on the stocks exchange. This means that they are subject to a lot of regulations and need to keep up with it. This makes the broker really reliable. Next, what trading platforms does XTB offer? The broker has built its own trading platform called X Station 5. Instead of MT4 or MT5, it was specially built to make it easy for new traders, and it's really fast. Now, what can I trade on XTB? The broker offers more than 2,000 instruments on their native trading platform X Station 5. XTB is a very popular broker. They offer more than 1,800 CFDs on stocks, 100 ETFs, 20 commodities, 36 indexes, 5 cryptocurrencies, and 57 Forex pairs. Now, what about the costs and fees of XTB? XTB's average spread on EURUSD is 0.9 pip and the minimum deposit is 250 pounds. There are no fees for depositing and you can make deposits through bank transfer, credit card or debit card. However, if your deposit goes through Skrill or Neteller, they charge 2% fees for Skrill and 1% fee for Neteller deposits. For withdrawals, XTB doesn't charge any fees if the amount is above 60 pounds. The final point about XTB's customer support, which is available 24/5 and also through phone, email, online chat. If you need a quick reply, you can use their online chat. That was the first review of XTB. If you are interested in this broker, you can create an account using the link in the description below. Now let's talk about the fourth broker on our list, which is Capital.com. This broker was founded in 2016 and is known for its mobile-friendly trading platform. Kicking off with the regulation of Capital.com. This broker is in fact multi-licensed. They have the FCA regulation, but also the Cyprus CISIC license and the Australian ASIC license. As I said, Capital.com's trading platform stands out since it's made for mobile trading. The broker took time and effort to build their own proprietary platform, which is the world's first AI-powered trading platform with personalized trading insights. Available via the web, you can access trading apps in there such as TradingView and mobile apps. Besides this, they also offer the industry standard MT4 trading platform. Next, what can I trade on Capital.com? The broker has a large selection of trading instruments. It offers over 4,500 different assets, including 140 currency pairs, so you can find almost everything to trade with Capital.com. Moving further, what are the costs and fees with Capital.com? Capital.com's spreads are always changing, which means you can get the best deals at any time. In terms of their minimum deposit, it's quite low and stands only for £20. However, the bank transfer, the minimum deposit is £200. They don't have any deposit or withdrawal fees, but for bank withdrawals, the minimum withdrawal amount is £50. A last point about Capital.com customer support. Is it good enough? Yes, their customer support is good based on my checks. You can reach out to them via phone, email, web chat, WhatsApp, Viber messages, and Telegram. So plenty of options. Are you curious to test out Capital.com mobile trading platform? Then sign up today through the link below and test out for yourself how easy it is. We have reached now to the last broker on our list for the UK, which is Markets.com, with the goal of creating an easier way to trade and invest in financial markets. Starting with the regulation, Markets.com is also regulated by the FCA. Actually, the broker is multi-licensed, having also the license in Cyprus, South Africa, and more. Markets.com was established in 2008 and their parent company is listed on the London Stock Exchange, which makes the broker reliable since they need to always adhere to the laws and regulations. Now, what about Markets.com trading platforms? They have built their own proprietary platform named MarketsX. Besides this, they also offer traders the industry standard trading platforms such as MT4 and MT5. With their MarketsX, you can have free access to the most comprehensive range of fundamental, technical, and sentiment-based trading tools. Next, what can I trade on Markets.com? They offer traders more than 200 CFDs on Forex, stocks, ETFs, indexes, commodities, CFDs, bonds, and blends. For Forex, they have 65 currency pairs. The maximum leverage they offer is 1 to 30 for the UK clients. What about the costs and fees of Markets.com? They don't charge fees for transactions. The spreads are variable according to market's movement. The minimum deposit is £100 to open an account with Markets.com, and for withdrawal there is no minimum except for wire transfer. The minimum amount is £100. Another thing you need to consider with Markets.com is that they charge an inactivity fee as $10 per month if your account is inactive for 3 months. Lastly, how is Markets.com customer support? The broker's team is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. They're usually quicker to respond during normally business hours, which is 9 a.m., 5 p.m. But you can always contact them by email or live chat at any time. For opening and trading with Markets.com, check our link below in the description. So there you have it, the top 5 Forex brokers in the UK. For more great platforms that are available to those who live or work across Europe, check out our website and find some others on this list too. I hope you have enjoyed our videos. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. And do share with your friends if they're looking for some great insights about Forex or other financial markets. Thank you so much.